you ever felt like you're trapped in a never-ending cycle of challenges and problems? Many people find themselves stuck in what can be described as the 3D matrix of existence. In this video, we will explore 3 transformative steps that can help you break free from the constraints of the 3D matrix and elevate your consciousness to the 5th dimension. Understanding the dynamics of the 3D world. Imagine life as a big puzzle, and this puzzle has many pieces. Some pieces are light, some are dark, some are good, and some are bad. It's like a game of opposites, where you see ups and downs, highs and lows. Just like in a roller coaster, you've got logic and intuition, love and fear. All these things are part of this puzzle called the 3D matrix. Now, it's important to know that you can't change this whole puzzle by yourself. It's been there for ages, and you're just one piece of it. Instead of trying to fix it, understand that this 3D world has a purpose. It helps you figure out what you don't like, so let it be. And don't blame others or point fingers at things like the government or different people for all the problems in the world. These are traps that keep you stuck. Release the blame and don't get caught up in the Matrix's daily dramas and news. You'll notice that there's always something happening, always some problem to worry about. This is designed to keep you in a state of fear, because when you're afraid, it's easier for others to control you. But if you pay attention, you'll see through this game. To truly understand, imagine floating above this puzzle, like a bird, to get a better view. From up there, you'll realize that the Matrix's tricks won't bother you anymore. The more you fight against it, the stronger it holds onto you. So you don't have to struggle much. Just step away from the puzzle, leave it be, and focus on yourself. In the end, all these puzzles and problems won't matter as much as you think. The key is to observe, accept, and detach from the chaos of the world, which will help you find peace and raise your own inner happiness. Reinterpreting life's challenges. Imagine emotions as a scale, where feelings under 100 Hz are like basic 3D emotions. These include fear, grief, apathy, guilt, and shame. The emotions where most of life's struggles and suffering happen. Now, if you want to move beyond these 3D emotions and reach higher levels of consciousness, you need to let go of what's weighing you down. The past, with all its painful experiences, cannot be changed, no matter how much you wish it could. Letting go of these past hurts may be one of the most challenging things you'll ever do, especially if dwelling in these emotions has become a habit. But it's essential. Nobody else can do it for you, and no one is coming to rescue you. You have to show yourself some kindness and save yourself by starting the healing process. The path to expansion and growth starts with healing the pain. There's a purpose in your pain, and you must find that purpose and rise above what's holding you down. Assigning new meanings to the things you struggle to let go of can make this process a bit easier. For example, losing a loved one might be part of their soul's plan or mission. Maybe they were called to move on. That person who ghosted you? Perhaps it was a blessing in disguise. Losing a job might have been a redirection toward your true purpose. Events in life are essentially neutral. You have the power to assign meaning to them. This neutrality is a potent state to be in, because it allows you to heal, transform, and progress to higher levels of consciousness. The way you define an event shapes your emotions and thoughts. A breakup, for instance, is neither inherently positive nor negative. It's your choice how you label it. When you assign meaning to an event, you infuse it with emotion, and your emotions drive your actions. The goal is to ensure your emotions lead you to expand and ascend, rather than contract and descend. Perspective plays a vital role in this process. If your twin flame is distancing themselves, take a closer look at your own life, and you might realize you're also avoiding something or someone. When you change your perspective, the things you perceive change as well. No matter what life throws your way, you can reframe it by shifting your perspective and assigning a new meaning. Reframing isn't about pretending everything is great when it's not. It's about accepting what has happened, learning from it, and finding ways to use these experiences to improve your life and the lives of others. The meanings you assign to events determine how quickly you can move on and raise your own positive energy. Understand the 5th dimension. The 5th dimension, or 5D, is not some distant place or time. It can exist right here on Earth when you connect with your heart and operate from that space. It's not about taking sides or fighting against the complexities of life. In 5D consciousness, you transcend dualities and divisions. There's no good versus bad, pain versus pleasure, or light versus dark. Everything is interconnected, and you can find positivity even in challenging situations. You learn to embrace the unity in diversity. It's essential to understand that 5D doesn't make you superior to others or judgmental of those in 3D consciousness. Acceptance of the 3D world is key to moving beyond it. When you constantly resist it, you remain stuck. 5D also involves recognizing that your external reality reflects your inner state. If you focus on negativity and see flaws in the world, your reality will mirror that. But when you approach life from your heart, you view everything as an extension of yourself, fostering love, understanding, and compassion. States of consciousness like neutrality, acceptance, willingness, and reasoning are stepping stones between 3D and 5D. They empower you to expand your awareness. As you change your thoughts, beliefs, and the meanings you attach to events, your reality shifts, allowing you to enter 5D consciousness, where love prevails. Love is seen as the most profound emotion because it's connected to your passions and purpose. In the 3D world, there's a focus on constant activity, working, debating, and fighting, which can be draining. In contrast, 5D is about being in the present moment, in a state of flow and alignment with yourself and the universe. You simply are, without the need for excessive doing. To elevate your consciousness more rapidly, engage in activities you genuinely enjoy that put you in a flow state. Pursue your calling, passions, and life's mission, because these experiences raise your vibration and bring magic into your life. In 5D, you appreciate the present moment as a gift and avoid the urge to be elsewhere. By doing what you love, you naturally shift to a higher frequency, making it easier to manifest your desires because you align with the vibrational match. While you may not single-handedly change the world, you won't be enslaved by it because you've broken free from the limitations of 3D consciousness. In 5D, you live in harmony with yourself and the universe, experiencing a higher level of consciousness and fulfillment. So, dear seeker of truth, as you continue your journey through the matrix of existence, remember that the path to enlightenment is paved with compassion, self-discovery, and the unwavering belief in your own inner power. May you rise above the dualities and limitations of the 3D reality, and may the light of your awakened consciousness guide you to a life filled with purpose, joy, and profound spiritual growth. If you are still watching, may the divine God bless you today. I wish you a wonderful day.